Mazda builds some brilliant cars, and the Mazda 2 is a kind of Ford Fiesta-sized car that offers great driving dynamics, very smart build quality, and a punchy 1.3 petrol engine in this one, which is actually not too thirsty, so you should find your running costs on this car going to be quite keen. Certainly in terms of insurance group, it's rated about the same as a Fiesta. I think this one comes under Group 4, so most people will find this one easy on the pocket. And this one from 2009, well, it looks as good as new. On the clock, we only have about 21,000 miles, just a smidge over, so that's nothing to worry about. In fact, it is backed up with a full service history as well. Get inside, you got a very comfortable cabin. Mazda are well known for building nice, understated luxury cars. This one, all-round airbags inside, power-assisted steering, nice set of alloys as well. Now on the move you're going to get about 54 to the gallon, although take it on a longer journey, maybe the motorway, you'll get as much as 67. Come and discover this car, 1,400 other ones as well, with no obligation, at Fords of Winsford.